What's up guys, it's Totally Treasure, aka Treasure. So today's video is going to be an unboxing stuff that I ordered at 5 a.m. Cause I just be bored and want stuff and craving weird stuff and yeah. Why I put on perfume? You guys can't smell me. So yeah, it should be here soon. I looked in the thing, it said my stop is next. So it should be, is it just me or I never see them? Literally, like, I remember last time I was like looking outside, like it said your stop is 2 stops away, blah, blah, blah. And I looked and like literally like I never saw them. But then I look on my phone and there's a picture of the front of my house and my package. Like I just never see them. They're so sneaky. And they like have time to like sneak a picture and drive off and come here. Like I just never see them, but I'm gonna see them today. They be acting like Santa Claus. I'm gonna see you guys today. You ain't slick. But it's kind of creepy that they take a picture of the package in front of your house, but then it's not, because like, you know, okay, that's my house, that's my package, so I guess you can't try to be like, oh, I didn't get it, because there's proof. But don't know what I'm talking about it. I'm not sponsored or anything, but yeah. So right now I'm just waiting for it, and yeah. It's not all the stuff. I actually have some more stuff. This is only some of it, because the rest of the stuff is coming in like October. We don't have time to wait for October to come, and it's like September. So maybe I'll do a part 2 of this unboxing or something. I don't know. But yeah, they should be here soon because they said it was next again. Yeah. You know I'm the type. Right? Okay, let me see if the package is here, because I promise you if I see the packages are here, I'm gonna be shook because I'm looking out every 10 seconds. Alright guys, so let's see if they're here. Again, I don't see them, but let's go see. If they're outside, I'm gonna probably cry because that's crazy. This smells good. Catch them. Catch it. Wow. I can't. I'm in utter awe, or whatever it's called. I can't. How? Okay, maybe they are wrong. Like, maybe it says 2 stops away, but then it's actually at your house. But then it's a tracker, so they're probably not wrong, but I don't understand how. How? Sorry, I'm just really shook right now. Okay, sorry. I'm still shook, guys. Told you, they literally popped up out of nowhere. I literally turned the camera off for 2 seconds and it was here. But whatever. Alright, here is the package. Amazon Prime, our ghost over for the FBI. I'm just kidding. Alright, this is actually my first unboxing. I think it's my first. Is it my first? I think it's my first unboxing. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's go. Let's make sure it's medium. Okay. Alright. Oh, I remember this. Alright. Okay. Okay. I'll show that. The first thing are these organic chips. No, they're like Cheez-Its, but healthier. Ooh. We got these. Let me take a thumbnail. Next thing, I have to hide it from my brother. Next thing I got is some free air. I got this air from Italy. Just kidding. Alright. What's this? Oh, this is a face mask. Look how they wrapped it up. It's warm. Ooh, my phone case, finally. Okay guys, so I got this. Okay. This is a Freeman's gel mask. It's actually from my mom. I got her for her birthday. I got more stuff, but that stuff is coming like later. Again, in October. Got this clear phone case. And then the last Are you guys ready for this? You're not ready for this. Family size. And you think I'm going to share this with my family? You must be mistaken. Like, very mistaken if you think I'm going to share this. Can't wait to try it. Alright, that's all the stuff that came. That's crazy. I'm so in awe. Alright, let's open up this mask. I don't want Rover to take my stuff. Alright. I'm glad, cause I thought like this would spill or something. So I was like, wait, oh my gosh, but it didn't spill. I like how I'm gonna ooh, peel off gel mask. Alright, so I got this Freeman's peel off gel mask. Really cool. It's like a peel off gel mask. Then this phone case. So let's try this out. Oh, you guys can do this. At 10 costs on Facebook and get Live Lifetime 20% off, whatever that means. So here's the phone case for my phone. Ooh, I finally got it. I went on the longest time. I'm so excited. Let's taste these gummies. Let's taste this. If I don't like this, I'm gonna give it to my mom because I think she likes, like, she's organic. No, she can't have it because she doesn't eat milk. Damn. What's up, guys? It's editing me. So I did not realize that I said that, but I am a good child. That just slipped out. I didn't realize I said that, but yeah. Okay, bye. Just know I don't curse. I'm a good child. Technically, that is not a curse word. It is something that Beavers built. Okay, bye. Bye. Alright. Wait, are these expired? Hold up, buddy. Okay, it said May. I was like, what? I literally was like, wait, January, March, May. Alright, let's try it. I hope these are good. If these are good, I'm gonna be happy. I like their any gummies. It tastes like they're gummies. They're good. Let's try it. They're bunnies. Okay, this is like a man, but alright, I'm sorry. Oh my god. This is like 10 out of 10. Please get this. If you want to be healthy but still have snacks, please get this. This is not sponsored, but these organic cherry bunnies. These are, if basically these are goldfish. This is like goldfish, but gold bunnies. Please get this. This is so good. I'm gonna destroy these later. Right now I'm gonna act all classy, but later we're gonna be going. I'm gonna post on my Snapchat. You guys will see if it's gone or not. So go follow me on Snapchat and my Instagram. And me again. Update. Yes, they are gone. Okay, bye. It's on the screen. Let's try these Mott gummies that I'm not gonna be sharing. Alright. No, I'm not done. Get out. Sorry, this video as well needs a lot of editing me. But I just want to say that I love my little brother. He's right here sleeping in my bed. If I did not like him, he would not be sleeping in my bed. I just now want him eating my snacks. Like, if you have siblings, you know. If you don't, then you can't relate. But I love him so much. And yeah, I know I yell at him, but I care about my snacks too. Oh my god. Alright. Please be good. Please don't be still. I know my taste, bro. 5 a.m. meme is better. I thought he snitched on me. Okay. These are good, guys. Like, 5 a.m. me is better than 5 p.m. me. Like, But I'm still so shook on how that got there. Maybe they have drones and they drop it down because I didn't see no car. Like, next time I order some, I'm gonna sit outside and wait because that's shook. What? It was good. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more epic videos, crazy things like this video, whatever you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.